Welcome to Science O Facts, where mind-blowing science meets fun facts. From space to the human brain, get ready to learn something awesome in seconds. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a field that often seems cloaked in mystery and futuristic promise. But beneath the buzzwords and headlines lies a fascinating world of mathematics, data, and ingenious engineering. To truly understand how artificial intelligence works, we need to begin at its foundation. The ability for machines to mimic aspects of human reasoning, learning, perception, and decision-making. At the heart of AI is data, vast rivers of it. Machines are not born knowing how to distinguish a cat from a dog, solve a complex puzzle, or generate a work of art. Instead, they must be taught, and their teachers are humans. We begin by collecting examples. For instance, if we want a computer to recognize faces, millions of images are gathered and meticulously labeled, marking where faces appear. These images then become the lifeblood for what's called machine learning. Machine learning is a cornerstone of modern AI. Imagine it as teaching through example rather than explicit instruction. Instead of programming a list of concrete rules, we allow the machine to sift through data, identify patterns, and build its own internal representation of the world. This is achieved by using algorithms, step-by-step mathematical recipes that determine how the machine digests and learns from data. One of the most powerful tools in AI today is the artificial neural network, inspired, at least loosely, by the way biological brains function. In the simplest form, a neural network is a web of interconnected nodes, each representing a tiny piece of computation. These nodes, or neurons, are organized into layers. The earliest layers might identify simple shapes or patterns, and as the data progresses deeper into the network, the layers build upon one another, detecting increasingly complex and abstract features. For example, in the task of identifying a handwritten number, the first layer might look for lines or curves, while deeper layers begin to assemble those lines into digits. But learning in AI is not automatic. Each connection between the neural network's nodes carries a weight, a number that determines how important a particular signal is. By crunching through enormous data sets, the neural network tweaks these weights, gradually reducing its errors and improving its predictions. This process is called training. It often involves a technique called backpropagation, where the machine adjusts its weights based on the difference between its prediction and the actual answer, guided by an algorithm called gradient descent. It's not unlike a child learning to ride a bicycle, taking feedback from each attempt and refining their balance. Of course, not all AI systems are neural networks. There are many flavors of AI. Decision trees that resemble flowcharts, systems that evolve solutions over generations, much like natural selection, or algorithms that learn by trial and error, known as reinforcement learning. In this last approach, often used in robotics or game-playing AI, the machine receives rewards or penalties as it takes different actions, learning over time which strategies yield the best results. As AI systems learn and adapt, they also require vast computing power. Modern AI, especially deep learning, is often powered by specialized hardware called graphics processing units, or GPUs. These chips can perform thousands of calculations simultaneously, making them ideal for the mammoth datasets and intricate models AI demands. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of AI is its flexibility. Once trained, an AI system can apply its expertise at superhuman speed, analyzing medical images, translating languages, or making split-second driving decisions in autonomous vehicles. Of course, AI is not without its limits and challenges. Machines can only be as good as the data we give them. If the data is biased, incomplete, or misleading, then the predictions and decisions made by AI can be flawed or unfair. Ensuring transparency, accountability, and ethical design has become a crucial part of today's AI research. So, while the inner workings of artificial intelligence may seem opaque, they are grounded in mathematics, learning from data, and the tireless refinement of algorithms. As AI continues to grow, understanding its science helps us harness its power responsibly. and imagine new possibilities for the future. Liked what you learned? Hit that like button, share and subscribe for daily dose of science wonders. This is Science O Facts, where curiosity never sleeps.